In this lesson, you'll see how comparing intake air and coolant temperature readings can quickly flag false sensor data, hidden circuit faults, or problems shared by multiple sensors before you replace a single part. When the engine is cold and off overnight, both the intake air and coolant temperature sensors should match ambient temperature within a few degrees. The ECU expects these values to agree closely at startup, since neither system had time to heat or cool independently. If the readings are wildly different, for example, the ECT shows 0 degrees Celsius, but AIT reads 35 degrees Celsius, when both should match room temperature, that's a sign something is wrong. Comparing these scan PIDs at key moments, like stone cold or fully warmed up, lets you spot which data stream is off and guides the next step. Let's say scan data shows ECT is plausible, but IAT is off. Before replacing parts, confirm which reading matches real-world temperature. Use a trusted thermometer on the intake and engine. Compare both sensor PIDs to ambient, and check if both sensors share a ground. If several sensors are off in the same direction, suspect a ground or reference voltage issue, not just a failed sensor. A classic mistake: a high or low temp PID triggers a coolant sensor code, and the sensor is replaced without checking intake temperature data, shared reference voltage, or ground. This can miss wiring faults or leave the real cause unfixed. Always compare values and prove what's really wrong. Always compare IAT and ECT readings under known conditions, cross-check with ambient temperature, and follow the test path. Only act after you've proven which value is wrong and why. This approach stops wasted repairs and quickly points to the real circuit or sensor fault. Thanks for watching this STEP diagnostic lesson on comparing temperature data. Remember, the right evidence saves time and prevents wasted repairs.